Hey there everyone, it's your boy JCodeTech here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to get infinite credits for the game 50 Loops without root on Android, completely free. So, all you have to do is get an app called APK Pro. I'll provide a link for that in the description below, and it's the latest version, so don't worry about it. So what you want to do is go ahead, open up APK Editor Pro, of course. You want to go ahead, select APK from app, ignore the message down there, it doesn't mean anything. You'll select the game 50 loops, full edit resource rebuild, and it'll take a second to load depending upon your device, how fast it processes shit. And then you want to go into files, and then you want to click on the little smiley button up there in the corner, and it will then decompile all the files. And yeah, let's fast forward to that. All done. All you have to do is press on the little band-aid button up there you see in the corner. Let that load up, say patch examples to SD cards, select the patch, and then you want to select the third one, patch data editor. You want to select that and then press apply the patch. After that, you're done. Just press close and build. And yeah, this will run all the way through, and when it's done, you know what to do. Let's put it to the background, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the future. After that is all done, all you have to do is press remove. Okay, let it uninstall the app, press install. Of course, always, or just the package installer for your Android, and let it install the app. It will say revise, but that's because of the patch we applied to the APK. So we're gonna let this install, and I'll see you guys in the future. All done installing and all of that stuff, you will end up with two different apps. One is the 50 loops and the editor. So what you want to do first is always open the original app first. So we're going to go ahead and open 50 loops, and I'll see you guys when that is loaded up. And it's all loaded up. We're going to have to play the game to get the data flowing and get it to the editor. So we're going to go ahead and tap and start and earn some credits here, just a few. You don't need too many. And yep, we're gonna keep going through these. Boom, boom, like a boss. Yep, second loop, third loop, here we go. Da-da, da-da. Whew. Oh. Alright, almost there. Seventh loop. Oh, we died, okay. That's all we need, so let's go ahead, exit out of the game, and go right into the editor. And I'll show you what to do from there. And what you guys want to do from here is go to Common Motion Lab Looper V2 Player Preps. Now here's the cool thing about this thing. This allows you to edit the root values, the data values of the APK. So this allows you to do things that require root access without root. Pretty cool, huh? So what you want to do is go down to where it says data right here. You'll see this little string here, and click on that, and it does look confusing, but this is what the developer wanted you to think is confusing. So you can see currency 22387B 22, yeah, you see that, but you see this one right here, you see the 22 and then the 8. So what you want to do from there is just kill the 8 and give it whatever you want. Just don't delete that 22 right there, or it will not work. So just say you want 1 billion coins. All you would do is go 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're all done. Press save. All done. Close. Close. Exit out. And close the editor out. Go home. Open up the app, and the hack should be all done. Let's load it up here, and you guys will be mind blown of how this worked. And this is a really cool breakthrough. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this hack, because it is 100% working. And I will show you that it is working here in just a second. Alright. And there you go. You guys can see up there, there's a casual ad, but we got 1 billion credits up there. And play it just to show you guys that this works. We'll die real quick. Just gonna run into that block. But yeah, guys, this hack completely works. You can run forever now. You can keep going through the game as far as you want and become the ultimate master of 50 loops with this hack. You can fool your friends, you can do whatever. APK Editor is also capable of hacking many other games. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe, smash the like button if you want more videos like this. I'm just a pro bono that just, wants to get out there and hack some pop games. So hope you guys enjoyed. JCodeTech signing out.